So, you've heard about sublimation printing, but you're probably wondering, what can you actually make with it? The short answer? A lot. But here's the important part. Not everything works with sublimation. Sublimation only works on polyester fabrics or polymer-coated surfaces. That's why choosing the right product is the first step to getting good results. Let's start with one of the most popular categories, apparel. You can create custom t-shirts, hoodies, and even socks, but they need to be light-colored and polyester-based. That's what allows the ink to bond properly and stay vibrant over time. Next up, drinkware. This includes mugs, tumblers, and water bottles. These are perfect for beginners because they're easy to press and give consistent results. As long as the surface is coated for sublimation, you'll get bright, durable prints. You can also make home decor items like pillow covers, blankets, and wall art. These are great for gifts or adding a personal touch to your space. And don't forget hard surface products like keychains, phone cases, and aluminum panels. These are usually pre-coated, so they're ready to use right away. If you're just starting out, keep it simple. Begin with products like mugs, polyester shirts, or small keychains. They're affordable, beginner-friendly, and help you learn the process quickly. One mistake many beginners make is choosing the wrong materials. Things like cotton, dark fabrics, or uncoated items simply won't work. And that can lead to faded or disappointing results. So here's the key takeaway. Sublimation is incredibly powerful, but only when you use the right materials. Start simple, learn how heat and ink behave, and build your skills step by step. Once you understand what works, you'll be able to create high-quality products with confidence.